Good morning everyone. I am Kuldeep, physics teacher in SURAJ school, Mehndad. Today our chapter is motion. So first of all, rest. A body is said to be in rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. A body is said to be in rest if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. For example, a stopped car. Second example, a fixed clock. Third example, a bottle kept on table. First example is stopped car, second example a fixed clock, and third example a bottle kept on table. That is the rest. Now motion. A body is said to be in motion if it change its position with respect to its surrounding. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to surrounding. For example, a moving car. Second example, a throwing ball. All of these are the example of motion. So, a body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. For example, a moving car. Second example, a throwing ball. Now the question is arise that how rest and motion are relative to each other. When we are traveling in a bus, then we are in rest with respect to passengers of bus, but at same time we are in motion with respect to outer bodies. That is why rest and motion are relative to each other. So how rest and motion are relative to each other? So when we are traveling in a bus, then we are in rest with respect to the passenger of bus, but at the same time we are in motion with respect to outer bodies. That is why we can say rest and motion are relative to each other. Now, types of motion. Generally, there are two types of motion. First, uniform motion. If an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion. If an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion. For example, a aeroplane flying with speed of 600 km per hour. Second, the minute hand of a clock. All of these are the example of uniform motion. Next is non-uniform motion. If an object does not cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in non-uniform motion. For example, a ball thrown vertically upward. Second example, a brakes applied car. These are the example of non-uniform motion. Now there are some another types of motion in which first of is rectilinear motion. If a body moves along a straight line, then it is said to be in rectilinear motion. For example, a moving train. This motion is also known as translatory motion. This motion is also known as translatory motion. Second, circulatory motion or circular motion. If an object moves along a circular path around a fixed point, then it is said to be in circular motion. For example, Earth revolves around its axis. This motion is also known as rotatory motion. This motion is also known as rotatory motion. One more type of motion is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. If an object moves to and fro along its mean position, then it said to be in oscillatory motion. For example, motion of simple pendulum. This motion is also known as vibratory motion. If an object moves to and fro along its mean position, then it is said to be in oscillatory motion. For example, motion of simple pendulum. And this motion is also known as vibratory motion.